say good morning. May God bless you. Have a great day. It's been brought to my attention that people are watching me and they have so much to say about my simple existence, the existence of me breathing, talking, because God gives me favor. They worry about my living arrangements. They worry about how I eat, how I drink. The people who are following cloud and following people because they add money and things of that nature. Let me tell you something. I don't care if you're a celebrity. I don't care what you got, what you possess. And I'm not talking about everybody. This just for the people who trolling me and they got so much to say. Don't worry about how I eat. Surely if God made a way for the birds, he'll make a way for me too. So I don't do anything for clout. Listen, you're watching me. You're watching me. You're talking about me. So see, that's an improper fracture. Like I'm on your mind. You're in my business. I'm minding my own, but still you people follow and watch me. I didn't ask for none of that. So don't worry about what I got in my fridge, where I lay my head on. Rest assured and know this. I'm not afraid of adversity. I'm not afraid. I don't cloud chase. I follow God. I'm not worried about nothing. Say, I ain't worried. I ain't never worried. I ain't worried. I ain't never worried. Yeah. So listen. I do hope that you got this message. And no, I'm standing on all 10. Listen, I'm not bad, I ain't tough, but I'm letting you know. I'm mind your business. Now what you got in your fridge? Huh? Where you laying your head at? Don't get comfortable because you never know when circumstances can change. Be grateful and be thankful for everything that you got. See, I don't praise worldly possessions. Yeah, cotton nice to have, but listen, I get power from God. Have a great day. Fake celebrity. How many albums you sold? Don't worry about me.